Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Once the game is updated, launch it and check. Next is to check the Mound Omen of Cthulhu update. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with cell console bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check if there is an update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue. For that, you have to press Xbox symbol on a controller. Now move down to profile and system. Here choose settings, system, console info. Then select reset console. After that, select reset and keep my games and apps option, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, click on choose device and connections, Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to remove an EAD account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove. After that, select remove option. After that, add the account again and then launch the game and check. Next method is to reinstall the Mound Omen of Cthulhu game. For that, press Xbox button controller. Move to my games and apps, select CL option. Here select the game, press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open the Mound Omen of Cthulhu official website and download the game and then launch it and check. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they'll try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.